English Explained, Mastering the Use of Some and Any. Hello everyone, welcome back to our series, Grammar Fundamentals. In today's video, we will tackle a commonly confusing area of English language learning: the usage of some and any. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of when and how to use these quantifiers correctly. Let's start with some. Some is used in positive sentences, especially when the exact quantity is not known or not important. It's also used when making offers and requests. Here are a few examples. 1. I have some books in my bag. 2. Would you like some coffee? Remember, some implies an unspecified quantity. It could be a lot or a little. The important thing is that the exact number is not specified. Now, let's move on to any. Any is typically used in negative sentences and questions. It is also used when the number or amount is not specified, just like some. Here are some examples. 1. We don't have any sugar left. 2. Do you have any questions? In these cases, any is used to express a lack of a specific quantity or to ask about the existence of a certain quantity. One of the confusing points for many English learners is the use of some and any in questions. As we mentioned, any is typically used in questions. However, some can also be used when the speaker expects a positive response or when the speaker is offering something. Here's an example. You wouldn't have some more cake, would you? Expecting a positive response. Would you like some tea? Offer. English, like any other language, has its share of exceptions. While any is generally used in negative sentences, it can also be used in positive sentences to mean, it doesn't matter who, which, where. Here's an example. You can take any book you want from the shelf. And there you have it. The use of some and any may seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Remember, some is generally used in positive sentences and any in negative ones and questions. But watch out for the exceptions we've discussed. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Keep practicing and you'll master these nuances in no time. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will delve deeper into the exciting world of English grammar. Happy learning!